So hey, it's Sunday morning, about 6:30. We're up, we're loading up. Today's the $1 Million Highway. That's what I'm really looking forward to, because the $1 Million Highway has been a bucket list for mine since before I had a motorcycle. So getting to ride on a motorcycle, getting to do it here in Colorado with the day. Here, let me show you the day. There's Jeroen. Say hi. He's getting the bike all pretty for today's travels, and we're about to check out and get down the road. See you there. What are we doing here today?
Time for some coffee and be awake. Then we go on the $1 Million Highway.
Where are we at? Durango?
Durango. Durango is a nice place.
So we're in Durango, a little coffee shop. It's a beautiful town. Coming in, the view was spectacular. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Fuel our bodies, fuel our bikes, and then we got a highway. I know I've said that a million times. It's a $1 Million Highway. So, getting some gas. We just finished eating breakfast in Durango. We're here. We're just a few miles away, and we're going to be on one of the most scenic roads in the United States of America, I think. I've heard. I don't know. We'll find out. See you there. Silverton, took a little break off the $1 Million Highway. It's a fantastic view, fantastic roads, nice and twisty. A lot of campers, a lot of RVs though. I would be coming out here too if I had one. Got a little Harley rally going on behind us.
Little, 250 bikes.
Little 250 bikes. I saw the Nelson Rig Journey bag. This guy over here is gonna go get him one. So, hashtag Nelson Rig. We're gonna go into Harley and get us a chip. Little brake stop on the $1 Million Highway. One of the lookouts. Man, what a great ride. Pretty amazing. It's a penalty for going off the road. I'm just gonna keep this one conservative. Here at the Old Miner Steakhouse in Gunnison. We've ridden the $1 Million Highway. It's worth it. If you have a chance, go do it. The scenery is beautiful. The only thing is there's no shoulder. The shoulder's 1,000-foot drop or so don't make a mistake. But in general, it wasn't real technical. It was just really enjoyable, and We didn't come close to crashing or anything. Anyway, it's a really great ride. We're done. We got a couple more stops on the way. Those will be in the video, Instagram, all that stuff. We're just gonna eat some local caught trout. This is gonna be nuts. Catch you when we head out. Cottonwood Pass. You can see all the beauty there is. Cottonwood Pass, somewhere in Colorado, about 60 miles away from our hotel now, so not too much more to go, but that might take us another 2 hours. Check back at the hotel. More riding to come. Through our Twisted Mountain rides, stopped in Buena Vista. Peter took all of his rain gear off, and then what did we hear? Boom! Over there, and a lot of it right over there. That's where it came from. For now, it's time to go get some souvenirs. It's been a heck of a day. Feels like we rode more miles than we did, but it was beautiful the whole way. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier is when we just first started riding, as soon as we hit Colorado, the fragrance, the smell, the clean air, and you smell every tree and flower and everything. It's really nice. $1 million highway, the story I heard was it cost $1 million to build it back in 18 or 19, whatever. They call it the $1 million highway. But I think it's because if you have a house that's on that highway, it's cost a minimum of $1 million. We avoided this. It looks like rain. We're here, Riverside Inn. I think we're in Riverside. We didn't get any more rain, man. We're good. We got a little bug on here. Hang on. Checking into the hotel. It's still daylight. You get something to eat. maybe find a bar. Probably not. I'm ready to go to bed myself. 3 pretty long days. 6 to go. But this one's one for the books, man.